I got the 20 LGs in the front there. You know, 2 rows of 10. There's 10 crossed by 2 high. And then I got 4 of the Telisons up there, which those are the 275 watts, and the other ones are 295s. Anyway, yeah, they're a little tiny bit smaller. You can see a little bit bigger gap between them. And anyway, yeah, we'll run those all the way along there. So we got 40 up, and then we'll set the situation. We might at least throw 10 up. Probably have 50 at minimum.
That's where the bottom dwellers, oh, they feed. So hold on to what you've got. Never forget.
Well, here we have it. Got 40 panels up. Looking pretty good. Tired as heck. Go to the house. That's it. That's it. I'm toast. I'm toast, baby. I'm toast. I'm toast.